today I'm celebrating that I recently surpassed the 1.5 million view mark on YouTube. And actually, technically, to be more specific, I'm currently at 1,658,905. So if we want to round up, it's more like around 1.7 million views on my little itty bitty YouTube channel, which is really exciting to celebrate. And with that said, most of those views are from long form content. It's actually kind of surprising that I haven't done that much with the YouTube Shorts. I don't know, honestly, why I didn't do it. I have a ton of content on my TikTok, but I think when I first started on YouTube, they didn't have Shorts yet. It was really only long form content, so I kind of kept my short form separate, but I really want to move it back in together. So it's honestly surprising considering I posted a ton on TikTok a few years ago and grew my account to about 45,000 followers on TikTok in just 6 months. I definitely need to repurpose those here. Anyway, onward. We move forward. So with that said, today I am going to share with you how much money I have made from YouTube. And when I say this is how much money I made from YouTube, I am only referring to the YouTube Partner Program, where I get paid from YouTube AdSense for my ads that show on my videos. So this, of course, is not accounting for how much money I make from brand deals, affiliate marketing, digital products, services, or anything else for that matter. Just ads. Okay, so here we go. From YouTube, for my nearly 1.7 million views on my content, I have earned $5,800. Now let's break it down because I'm a bit of a detective. I really am a numbers person though, and I love diving into the analytics. So if you take into account this number and then divide it by the number of views, then I would get the revenue that I earned per view. So for example, I did the math. I took the number that I made and I divided it by my exact number of views, and I got 0.00349. So basically 0.3 of a cent. So let me multiply that by 1,000 and then I'll tell you how much I'm getting paid per 1,000 views, right? That should approximately be correct anyways. Okay, yes, that makes more sense. So I'm making $3.49, and actually the next number is a 6, so we'll just round up to $3.50 per 1,000 views. And that is the average per 1,000 views, or what we also can call my RPM, revenue per mil, aka the amount of money that you make from YouTube per 1,000 views. And this is actually also how the YouTube dashboard measures revenue. So for example, if you have a YouTube channel and you're looking at your own analytics, you may see another number that's also CPM, and that's cost per mil. This is basically what advertisers have paid per 1,000. And then as the creator, you get a portion of that, which seems to vary a little bit, around half or maybe a little bit less. Generally, I would say this number is a bit lower than average, but there are several potential reasons for this. Number one is going viral. So of course, great for growth, but reaching a broader audience also can have less engaged viewers, right? So they'll be brought on and likely were either the type of people who watched a very short period of time of my content, or they just had different interests. And because, keep in mind that although my content type might generally attract a certain type of viewer, the ads that are served are generally more specific to the viewer, and therefore, if they're the kind of viewer that has expensive taste, like me, then they will likely be shown the higher paying ads, whereas viewers who tend to make cheaper purchases and search for lower cost items may be shown ads for lower cost items, and those ads pay less. So an example of a high paying item that might be having an ad on my YouTube channel could be a $5,000 online course that is made specifically for entrepreneurs or business owners or real estate agents or anything like that, that an advertiser might be showing as an advertisement, compared to something that's a low ticket item is like diapers. Simply because if someone is searching for that who is also in my audience, like moms with little kids at home, then of course, if they're gonna buy that product, they're going to, of course, not be spending the same amount of money, and the company doesn't profit as much as the high ticket item. So therefore the ad pays me a different amount, right? Does that make sense? So it really varies depending on who's watching my channel and what they like. And if I attract a certain type of audience, then of course there's gonna be a more specific range of those ads and how much it costs, but that's kind of just a sense of how they show up. This takes me to the other factor, which is of course the niche that my content is in. So the ads depend on the viewer, but also on my content topic. Similar to the examples that I shared just now, if you generally talk about low ticket items like cleaning routines or cleaning product reviews, then likely the type of ads that will be shown will result in the lower ticket items, unless, well, then again, you know, there are things that exist that are like, you know, really high ticket vacuums. I mean, I'm sure you could buy $1,000 vacuum if you wanted to and things like that. You get where I'm going with this though. If you compare it to a channel that has reviews on tech gadgets or finance or entrepreneurship or investing, these are likely to have a lot more of the high ticket programs and courses and things like that in the ads. Now, it's not all black and white. In fact, I did an audit on my own content and found that the highest revenue per mil actually came from a video that was a mom product review, right? This surprised me because I have a ton of content about motherhood and travel, and I also have a lot of content around entrepreneurship and mindset and content creation and productivity. So I figured the second group of like entrepreneurs, you know, would earn a little bit more. But the fact of the matter is, like I said, it's not all black and white. And so it really depends on the viewer. And I can confidently say these viewers on the higher paying videos were highly engaged, you know, high watch time and retention, lots of comments and all of that. And if they like the products that I like, you know, then again, they probably have similar taste to me, which is high quality. But anyway, you get the gist. I thought that this would be kind of fun to go through and take a deep dive into how much YouTube has paid me for, you know, over my 1.5 million views and some of the analytics and theories behind it. So I hope this was valuable to you and helpful to you on your journey and just trying to help you learn about what's possible and how much money you can make from YouTube. I think honestly the sky is the limit. Like I feel like my earnings are a very realistic amount, you know, it's not a crazy amount. I know people who are making crazy amounts. I've heard of people who are earning like thousands and thousands each month. But the thing is, it's not just from ad revenue. They're talking about their courses that they're selling or their coaching cohorts. I can't say this word, cohort. Their coaching cohorts. That is a weird word. Anyway, you get the idea. There's a lot of other things that can go into it. And at the end of the day, you know, you really want to have an engaged audience because that is where people will eventually want to learn more about what you're doing. And if, you know, they sign up for your email newsletter, your list of things that you can continue to share value with them behind the scenes, then that's another really great way to potentially earn more by selling them something in the background that may not be clear in the videos. There's so many things that I want to talk about in this area. But again, so many people just, they want to get started with the ad revenue, and I'm telling you, it doesn't have to be your first income stream. You can get other income streams before even getting monetized. But just to give you a sense of what is kind of the expectation, this is how much I've earned for how many views I have. So I hope that this was helpful. Also, at the time of recording this video, I currently have 73,000 watch hours, and then I also have 6,865 subscribers at the time of making this right now with my nearly 1.7 million views. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thanks for being here. I hope you subscribe if you enjoyed this video, like this video, share it with a friend who needs to hear it. If you want to hear more inspiring tips about how to grow a YouTube channel and how to make money online from your content, then I recommend watching this video next.